In this video, I'll show you how to change profile picture in a Google account. So I'm going to use my own mail for this. I'm using for educational purposes. So I'm going to click on settings, click on this, click on this. So wait for it to open up. So I'm going to just click on this. So I'll click on add profile picture. So this option is going to come out. So I want to add from my device. So I'm going to select the profile picture from my device and I'm going to add it up. So as you see how it's going to appear. So I'm going to click on next. I'm going to click on save as profile picture. So this is how you can basically add or change your profile picture in Google accounts. So if you have previously added up yours and you love to change it, you can just click on this change. You can be able to select from this illustration options. You can be able to add up from your device. So if you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next video.